In this video, how to unfreeze Venmo account. I will show you step by step how to unfreeze a Venmo account. First, open the Venmo app on your phone. Log into your account using your email or phone number. If the account is frozen, a notification will appear on the screen. Read the notification to understand the reason for the freeze. Now, tap the option called Resolve or Learn More. Venmo may ask you to verify your identity. Enter the requested information correctly. You may need to upload an identification document. Upload a clear photo of the requested document. Make sure the image is clear and readable. After that, confirm the submission of your information. Now wait for Venmo to review your details. The process may take some time to complete. Check your email for updates or instructions. Venmo may request additional information if needed. Follow all steps requested by the platform. If necessary, contact Venmo support for assistance. Explain the issue and request help to restore access. After verification, your account will be unfrozen. This is how you can unfreeze your Venmo account easily.